That's so weird now. Ooh.
That was loud. You wanted to go. Burping contest.
Yo, I don't know what to eat. Guys, look how I'm peeling. Hold on. You can't see. Guys, we don't talk about what yourself. Maybe I won't burp while you have it in your mouth.
That was like slow-mo.
I can't burp anymore.